Hi, I'm Andy Barney, and I'm so excited to talk to you about our newest program. Our academy is underway, which is meant to teach procedures in sewing machine service and repair, and it's been awesome. But I still felt like something was missing. It occurred to me one day that our entire industry has been designed to leave you in the dark and to give you as little information as possible. If you've ever had your machine serviced in my shop, you know that I am completely different than the norm. So I know for most of you, as it was for me before I started servicing machines, you have dropped off your machine for service. Usually you wait several weeks to get it back, if you're lucky, and not really knowing what was done to it or why you have recurring issues. So you might be lucky enough to have a technician that shares the details for you, but for the most part, the system is really designed to keep you dependent on a handful of people that know how to service and fix your machine. So we started the Sewing Doc Academy with the goal of empowering you to know how to service your own machine from start to finish and build the skills to service other people's machines as well. But we aren't stopping there. So many of you are interested in every single aspect of machine service, which is great, but many of you, and probably most of you, really just want to take care of your machine to keep it running without having to travel to a service professional, pay the fees, and wait weeks or months to get it back. And I've heard this a lot, but people say, I get it back and I don't really know it's even running any different, which unfortunately that's the part of cleaning and service. If you are getting it cleaned and serviced regularly, you should not ever notice a difference. But did you know that cleaning and lubrication is the absolute best way to extend the life of your machine? So most machines, when cared for properly, don't require extensive repairs or even timing adjustments or settings. So can you imagine having a video that is specific to your machine that will walk you through step by step and teach you how to clean and lubricate your machine yourself? Can you imagine never having to pay a service professional when something is actually broken or needs repair? We're going to teach you to do this right here. We're bringing the Remove Your Covers program to you to give you permission and guidance on how to take off the covers of your machine, clean it properly, lubricate it properly, and do this on a regular basis to keep it sewing beautifully. So the rest of the industry is really going to hate me for this, but we want you to have this important knowledge and skill. These are not service classes. I want to be clear about that. They are cleaning classes. So believe me when I say service technicians still have their place in this world, because you are going to have timing issues at some point and probably some repair, but I really feel that it's important that if you want to take the steps to maintain your machine yourself and extend its life, you should have that knowledge. So the most common question I'm asked is, how much is this even going to cost? Well, I'm trying to keep the cost for you as low as possible. For a basic mechanical machine, say a Singer Heavy Duty 4423, I estimate that the cost will be somewhere between $39 and $49 for the class. For more complex machines, probably around $79 to $99, and an ultra complex computerized machines, probably $99 or a little more. It really depends on several factors, such as how complex it is to remove the covers and walk you through the whole process. But keep in mind, in our shop, which I'm told is extremely reasonable, our service fee for a basic mechanical machine is $67, and for a computerized machine, it's $82. And what you see here is a computerized machine. So if you pay this class fee one time, you'll be saving quite a bit of money over time going forward. And if you don't have to give up your machine for several weeks, that's an added bonus. So if this excites you, check out the Remove Your Covers details below, and please sign up to stay updated on our progress. We'll begin rolling out the first series of machines hopefully in January of 2019 and keep them going until we run out of machines, which is probably going to be never. So we'll also be offering free classes to testers for review and feedback, and there will be giveaways every time we launch a new course. So it pays to stay up to date.